Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am on my road trip from Brittany to the south of France and back. I'm on the way back and I am in the beautiful region of the Tarn et Garonne. Beautiful region, yes. Not so beautiful weather because, again, I am followed by the rain this road trip. Today is going to be a rainy day, which was not promised yesterday when I listened to the weather forecast. Oh my, I haven't seen this much rain as the day I was in Lourdes in the south of France in the Pyrenees. Come to think of it, I did not light a candle in Lourdes. Maybe that's why the rain is following me. I don't want to seem overly optimistic, but it looks like the sky all the way over there is a little bit lighter. It has definitely stopped raining now, and I even have to put my sunglasses on. Regardez ce château là. It's all so pretty and cute here. My friend would say it's bucolique. Well, we have arrived in my first stop, and my first stop is a place called Périgord. Yes, Périgord. And I'm going to stretch my legs. Viking is going to do a pipi caca tour, and we'll see what's going on here. It looks nice. Anyone in? A wonderful view. Il pleut. You're joking me. It's raining again. But that is not kind. I told you I seem to be followed by the rain. Why? Is it really because of Lourdes? Ah. We're driving through this beautiful, though a little bit wet landscape. Let me tell you what my plans are for today. First thing, and that was on my list since the start, Rocamadour. Now, I love the sound of that name, Rocamadour, but I'm not completely sure what it is. Is it a village? Is it a castle? Is it a ruin? So I would like to find out. Everyone's talking about Rocamadour. A lot of tourists go to Rocamadour. I love the name Rocamadour. I want to go there. If ever it rains an awful lot when I'm getting there, I might change my plans and go to Sarlat. I've already been there, but I can go back there. And it has a lot of things to do, and you can shelter from the rain. And I can go to Rocamadour tomorrow, if the weather clears up. Now, I just heard the weather forecast. It will not rain in Rocamadour until 2 o'clock. When I get there, it will be 1:45, so that gives me just a little bit of a visiting between the showers. Isn't this exciting? In a few minutes, I will know what the fuss is all about. All those parkings, which means that it is hugely visited in the summer. Oh, look at that. It is a town, and we are going to explore it. Now I'm hoping of finding something open. But, as you can see, maybe coffee or a sandwich. I just know that when I do this, it will start raining because there are already a few drops falling down. That was absolutely worth it. But it was a good thing that we didn't do the climb all the way up. 25 minutes of stairs. Because it's raining again and it's not even 2 o'clock. So, next up, Sarlat. In the meantime, I've been naughty. I have booked Viking and myself a hotel room for tonight in Sarlat. I love car camping, don't get me wrong. And I don't mind the cold, but this rain is so depressing. It even wants me to go home. I don't like it, all this rain. I can have rain back home as well. Why drive back and forth through France if I have rain all the time? Anyway, I'm not going home yet. I'm not giving up yet. I will just spend one night in a hotel. Another reason why I want to go to a hotel, I want to have a shower. It has been days and days that I did not take a shower now, for my own sake, but also for all the people I am talking with and I am meeting. I better have a shower every now and then. It has to be said, it is very pretty here. Really, really very pretty. Oh, I so like it and I so enjoy it when my GPS finds me all those little roads to go from A to B. I prefer that so much more than going the fast lane. They had something for Viking and also something for me. What's in there? Walnuts. Oh. Righto, here we are in Sarlat. Viking and me, we're gonna go for a stroll until it gets dark. It's crazy. It's not even 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And tomorrow it's market day. I'm not quite sure if I can go there, but we'll see. We'll just walk along. Well, the little train still works, even in the winter. It feels so much better. Tonight, I'm not gonna do much. I'm gonna watch TV. I'm gonna get something to eat. I'm gonna walk Viking for a last time, and then this big bed is for me. Tomorrow is another day, and I don't know yet what I'm going to do. It depends on the weather again. One of my next visits will be the Loire. Anyway, I thank you all for watching and for sticking with me on this rainy day. And I say to you, see you next time on my videos. Bye bye, au revoir, à bientôt.